going to solder this up. So typically take your paste, clean it up on a piece of emery cloth. I've already done a lot of this, so we're just kind of showing you a bit. So it'd be really difficult to sand in here. I suppose you could if you had to, but this is a brand new fitting. It's really pretty clean. And you want to take some flux all the way around both pieces. Insert that. There we go. Nice snug fit. This is MAP gas, but a lot of people just use propane. I like MAP. It's a bit hotter. It's got some acetylene in it. Flux is just starting to boil up out of the cracks. I'm sure you can't see it on the camera, but it is. The big trick of this, you want to make sure that the copper is hot enough to melt the solder and not the flame. And you just work around the edge, and you're done. It doesn't take much. It's not a very big gap. Let's say the big trick. Make sure the copper is melting your solder. Otherwise, it's not going to flow down the crack. It also means you want to work your heat around to try to keep the heat even. You're not just got a lot of heat on one side. There you go. 2 sweat soldered. You definitely want to make sure you want to wipe down your joints after, otherwise there'll be flux on there. And the flux is an acid and it's an abrasive. And you'll find that it'll corrode the pipe. If you ever go do copper plumbing and you see a bunch of green spots all over the place, that's because the last plumber didn't wipe the flux off. So it's really best to do this with a wet rag, but I don't happen to have one right here. But seeing as I can move this around, I'll probably just take it inside and rinse it off.